Do you often feel vaginal itching, vaginal burning, foul smell, excessive discharge, etc., etc.? And for all these problems, you are using vaginal wash. Even I should say that these vaginal wash are extensively available in the market and they are actually in fashion. But have you ever thought that in ancient times women never used this kind of artificial or perfumed vaginal washes, and they were also healthy? So why you are using this kind of vaginal wash even they are not giving you results? So what is the secret behind? Secret is in Ayurveda. So let's reveal the secret. I'm Dr. Kanchan Sharma. I'm a qualified Ayurveda gynecologist, and let's start the video. So in today's video, I am going to tell you a very much affordable vaginal wash that you can make at your home. Yes, and the plus point is that it is side effect free, perfume free and chemical free. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get updated with all my latest videos, and let's get started. Now what you have to do, it's very easy. Just take dried fruits of Terminalia chibula, which is haritki, Terminalia balearica, which is vibhitak, and Amlica officinalis, which is amla, Indian gooseberry. Take these dried fruits in equal amount, and then what you have to do, just grind it coarsely and make a powder mixture. But if these dried forms are not available in your area, then what you can do, simply the equal amount of haritiki, vibhitak and amla is called triphala in Ayurveda. So triphala churn is available online also and in Ayurvedic store, so you can easily buy from there. So basically you need triphala churn. Okay, now your powder mixture is ready. What you have to do, take 2 teaspoons of triphala churn in 1.5 cup of boiled water and leave it overnight, and in morning just filter it. Your vaginal wash is ready. I am sure you all are surprised. It is very easy. Yes, and triphala is also antiseptic, antifungal, anti-inflammatory. Then you can see the properties of triphala. So if you are facing any kind of infection, whether it is vaginal candidiasis or any other infection, it is helpful in every case. If you are facing this kind of issue like vaginal itching, burning, infections again and again, then use this triphala vaginal wash twice or thrice in a day. You just have to splash this water on that area, on your vaginal area. But if you want to use on a daily basis, you don't have any infection, then use it once in a day. And for that, you can only put half teaspoon in half cup of water daily in night, and in morning your triphala vaginal wash is ready. So just try to make it fresh, and for 2 to 3 days you can use this. Okay, now I hope the remedy, the process is clear. But why I am saying you that use this, don't use those market vaginal wash, because you see the concept of vaginal wash is from Ayurveda, because in Ayurveda it is very clearly written that yoni prakshalan is the procedure. And for triphala vaginal wash, this is recommended, this is described in Ayurveda. So try it from today, and don't forget to tell me the results in comment section. And if you have any question, you can ask in comment section. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching my video.